Okay, so it's really hard to change the dome on the ceiling fans in these KB homes here in Forest Grove. But if you go look at the YouTube videos, you'll see all kinds of suggestions. Most of them don't work. My favorite one is the guy say you could use my method, but afterwards you got to go to Lowe's and buy a whole new lamp. So, couldn't figure out how to do it, but my amazing brother-in-law happened to come to town and figured it out. Well, takes two people, takes gloves, and
it takes a sturdy ladder, a good assistant, and the 10 fingers on each hand, 20 fingers to make this thing work. It's got a high torque. Once you loosen that and break it, you install the light. Try to make sure you don't get oil on the bulb because it's a halogen, high temperature bulb. Make sure it's clean. Put the bulb back up and then put your dome back in. Try not to torque it so tight like it was the first time, and it should work great.
But the key is one guy has got to hold the base, the other guy has got to turn the dome, and the key is if you push up, which is the tendency when you put your hands on the dome, it won't come off.
Exactly. You can have a front seat right here. And you want to grab the outside base, good and strong, and hold it, just the bottom ring.
Okay, need the ball.
God's work for the ball.
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 Okay.
Not so tight this time, maybe.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!